Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, welcome to my video. My name is Sabita Mufid and I'm 19 years old with three last ID number 027. So today I wanna tell you about my review novel, The Assignment from Reading Comprehension course. And then I wanna share you my PPT novel review. And as you can see here, novel that I read entitled Be Dry by Neil and Jared Susterman. And this novel published by Simon and Schuster. And genre from this novel is young adult and dystopian fiction, science fiction, and survival. And this is synopsis from this novel. Dry is a dystopian novel about severe drought in California that triggers a major water crisis. When the taps run dry, Aliza, who's the main character in this novel, and her friends must survive social chaos and confronting the darkest side of humanity for just a water drops. It's very scary for me. Before I told the plot of story, I think we should introduce the characters from this novel, right? And first we have Alyssa Morrow, and then Garrett Morrow, and then Kelton McCracken, and then we have Jack Wee, and for the last we have Henry Kovacs. Okay guys, let's next with orientation from this novel. This novel is set in California, where the state is struck by an extreme drought. The government shut off water supplies from other states, and so there are nothing water in all places, and crisis known as the tap out. At the first, people remain calm, and they use relying on bottled water, but panic sets in as resources quickly disappear. And the main character, Alyssa Morrow, an ordinary teenager, tried to keep her family safe. However, when her parents failed to return after going out to find water, Alyssa realizes that the situation is far more dangerous than she expected. Conflicts start after her parents disappear. Alyssa and her brother must survive, and then they meet Kelton as a neighbor whose house has water. But when desperate neighbors attack, they flee. Kelton and Alyssa flee. And on the way, they meet Jackie and Harry. And so they becomes a group, face intense conflict from outside threats and lack of water. And here, climax of this novel start from Alyssa's group head to Kelton's secret family bunker, and this is the last hope for water, guys. But the journey very harsh. They are near the death from dehydration. In desperation, Alisa almost drank toxic pool water. It made risking her life and her friends. Okay, for the ending, finally, the government begin restoring water supplies and evacuation survivors like Alisa, Garrett, Kelton, Jackie, and Harry are rescued just in time, guys. Um, Although they survive physically, the experience leave a deep emotional impact. Um, the story shows that survival isn't only about physical endurance, but it also requires empathy, trust, and making difficult moral decisions. The novel ends with a sense of hope, but also with lasting scars and powerful lesson for each character. Okay guys, there are moral message that I got from this novel. For the first I got crisis can change people emotionally and morally. Yes, and I agree for that. And then survival is not just about strength, but also wisdom and self-control. And I agree too with that. And empathy and compassion matter even in desperate situation. Solidarity and teamwork save more life than selfishness. Difficult moral choices reveal our true character. And for the last, Drive present a tense and timely story with a realistic and urgent premise about a water crisis. The characters are well developed, and the fast-paced plot pulls readers into the emotional and moral struggle faced by the group. Its social and environmental messages are powerful and thought-provoking. However, some conflict feels slightly forced, and the ending may seem rushed. Despite that, Dry remains a compelling and meaningful dystopian novel worth reading. And score from me maybe 8.5 from 10. I think it's really good. Okay guys, I think it's enough for review novel. I hope it will help you to find a good book that you want. Mm, and don't forget for like this video and sharing to your friends. See you next time and bye bye.